Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the setting of Imo. So when you will know on the setting of Imo, you can use Imo account very easily. So firstly, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Imo and then you will see profile icon, click on it, and then you will see security and privacy option, click on it, and then you will see chat and call privacy options, so click on here. So if you will click on the block screenshot for call, so when sometime we are calling to someone and we don't want that anyone takes a screenshot of our call. So when you will turn it on, then no one can take screenshot of your call. So go back and then you will see the another options of invisible friends. Invisible friends is that friends sometime we want to hide some friends chat, and in this options you can hide their chat and it will not show on the home screen of the Imo. So when you will click on add invisible friends, and here select the friends, and that selected friends cannot show in the chat history, so you can only find here, so you can only find that friend from here, so it will not show in the chats of the Imo. So when you will go back and then you will see another options of passcode lock. When you will click on passcode lock, you can see here enable options, so click on enable options. So after that, choose a passcode and then click on done option, and here you will see re-enter your passcode and then re-enter your passcode. After that, click on done options, and here click on done options, and in this way you can see options of auto log, and your auto log will automatically log after given time. So when you will click on 1 minute, it's mean that your auto lock will be enable after 1 minute, and when you will click on 15 minute, it's mean that after 15 minute your auto lock will be enabled. So when you will click on 1 hour, it's mean that after 1 hour your lock will be enabled, and when you will click on for 5 hour, it's mean after 5 hour your auto lock will be enabled. So when you will go back after selecting the times, and I am selecting only 1 minute, so after that go back, and in this way you can enable passcode lock on the Imo. If you want to turn it off, so click on it, and then you will see the option of disable passcode lock, click on here. So I will show you how it works. So when I will open the Imo, and here when I will open the Imo, and then click on profile icon, then again click on setting and privacy option. So after that you will see passcode lock, and you can see my passcode lock is enabled. So when I will click on auto lock, and then you will see every time options. So when I will go back, you can see that whenever I will open the Imo, it will ask me about the passcode lock. So without this passcode lock, my Imo will not open. So in this way you can hide your privacy on the Imo. It will give you more security and keep you more secure. So if you want to disable passcode lock, I will show you how you can disable. So firstly, open the Imo and then scroll down the page, and then you will see security and privacy option. Click on it, and then you will see passcode lock, click on here and then click on disable passcode lock. So then click on again disable passcode lock. So it will ask you about the passcode lock. So click on here. So after that you will when you will confirm your passcode lock will be disabled. So you, you will see another option of blacklist. So here you can see those friends which you have blocked on the emo, because sometimes we dislike some friends and we want to block some friends, and you will see the blocked friend in the here blacklist. So in this way you can see blacklist on the emo. And here you will see another options of manage device. When you will click on manage device, you can see that your emo is open in this device. So in this way you can see manage device. If you will click on multi device, then click on enable, your emo will be open on the multi device when which you want to enable which you want to set the emo account on that mobile. So after that go back and then you will see, and you will see a lot of another options called online status, and read a recipients group method for adding me, add phone contact and story. So by following this process you can set your privacy on the emo account. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.